Magandang araw sa inyo mga kaibigan. Itong ating almusalita sa araw na ito, May 24. Ang ebanghelyo natin is Mark 10:1-12. At saktong-sakto kung kailang nagdedebate at pinag-uusapan sa ating bayan ang divorce law, this gospel providentially hindi namang nilagay dahil sa political situation. Yun talaga nakatoka sa buong simbahang katolika sa buong mundo. Sinasabi ng Ebanghelyo, Moses wrote this law for you because you have hearts of stone. But in the beginning of creation, God made them male and female. And because of this, man has to leave father and mother and be joined to his wife, and the two shall become one body. So they are no longer two, but one body. Therefore, let no one separate what God has joined. Thank you, Jesus. A word na nagbibigay po sa ating ng lakas ng loob. When they were asking, there are reasons parang humiwalay. He said, there are more reasons para mag-join. And so he talks about becoming one body. I think ito ang aking pinaka-hamon sa mga mag-asawa. Try to become one body. Malaking effort ito kasi dalawang tao kayo, dalawang utak, dalawang isip, dalawang pananaw, dalawang gusto sa buhay. At kung yung dalawa ay i-emphasize ninyo ang sariling side, lalong magiging dalawa, separated, hiwalay, hanggang no more possible to put together. Ngunit kung talagang mag-work out into becoming one, will take a lot of giving and take, will take a lot of swallowing pride, will take a lot of listening when I want to speak. It will take a lot of trying to see what you want rather than what I want. But yung effort na becoming one, yon ang blines ng Panginoon Diyos. Yon ang pinagpala ng Diyos. At yon ay hindi kailanmang masisira. Because what God has made one will remain one forever. Ang word of encouragement to all married couples out there, work to become one body. Make this yung layunin ng iyong married life. Dalawa kayo, but you are in the effort, in the process of becoming one. And God will always bless your effort to become one. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video ito, pass it on. Punuin natin ang good news ang social media. Gawin natin viral. Araw-araw ang salita ng Diyos. And God bless.